Christmas morning, 2009, just before everything starts. Well, it'll be a few hours yet. I just wanted you to see the tree. Trevor picked this one out, and it's one of the prettiest we've ever had, I think. It's pretty tall. I have to back up over here so you can see. And then I'll go back over to show you ornaments. We have birds and my little girl that I always like to hang, and a beautiful angel up top that I really like. We don't have a fire yet, but we're going to. We got lots of firewood. Here's Trevor's stocking. It's overflowing. And presents all around. And so, we wish you Merry, Merry Christmas.